When two bumper cars crash into each other, what happens next? Does one stop? Do they both bounce away? Today, we're breaking down what's happening with momentum during a collision. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity, so P is equal to m times v. The total momentum before the collision is equal to the total momentum after, if no outside force interferes. That's called the law of conservation of momentum.
That one bounced backward.
Yeah, but the big one barely moved.
Exactly. Just like in real car crashes, understanding momentum helps engineers design safer systems. Imagine two carts on a track. One is moving, the other is still. After the collision, the moving cart slows down and the other moves. Total momentum? Still the same. Now both are moving. After impact, one speeds up, one slows down. Apply the formula. M times v plus m2 times v2 is equal to m times v plus m2 times v2. We can predict how they'll move after. In car collisions, knowing how momentum transfers helps in designing crumple zones and airbags to reduce injuries. Let's review what we've learned. Momentum is equal to mass times velocity. Momentum is conserved if no net external force acts. Engineers use this law to make cars and sports safer. So next time you ride bumper cars, think like a physicist.